Welcome back. Yes, that basic principle of maths was subtract. And if you didn't get that, Lily is going to come round to your house, knock on your door and tell you off. Now, David, at the beginning of the show, of course, we were talking about, crafty, being crafty. Well, I mean, language can get a little bit crafty sometimes.
Can get very crafty. And in fact, tonight I'm going to talk about a particular area of language that is unique to the crafty speaker, and it's rhyming slang. And in fact, it'll be a part of a three-parter, for word stories. But tonight, the origins of rhyming slang. Now, it's a use of language where it uses rhymes to disguise the core phrase. For example, you might say the frog and toad for the road, or your trouble and strife is your wife. Yes, you could, and you may get in trouble and strife. Apples and pears are stairs, and often there is a shortening that occurs, so apples just becomes the word for stairs. You've got plates of meat for feet, you've got mince pies for eyes, you can go down to the Rubber-dee-Dub, which is the pub, and you can speak on the dog and bone, you can talk to your china plate, who's your mate, and so on. It's also useful for euphemism, so rather than saying sort of less unsavoury words, you can say your Khyber Pass for your derriere, or maybe Jimmy Riddle to spend a penny. But interestingly, the shift occurs to Australian rhyming slang, which I'll talk about next week, when all the convicts went to steak and kidney. Or I should say, Sydney.
Oh, look, that rhyming slang is beautiful. Thank you, David. Let's have a look at our scores. Sujaya is on 5, Alex is on 8, and we're heading for some more letters. And you to choose, please, Sujaya.
Can I have a consonant, please?
Sure. Let's start with B.
And another consonant.
M.
And a vowel, please.
A.
Another vowel.
O.
A third vowel, please.
E.
A consonant.
T.
Another consonant.
L.
A vowel, please.
I.
We'll finish with a consonant.
And last letter, R.
Thanks, Lily. Thinking time. Well, Sujaya, how many from that mix?
I've got 7.
7 sounds great. Alex?
Only managed to 6.
Let's hear your 6.
I've got morale.
Thank you. And Sujaya, yours?
I've got violet.
David, what do you think?
Can you just clarify the spelling, please, Sajaya?
It's B-I-O-L-A-T-E.
Okay. It's not listed here, I'm afraid. Not here in the House Dictionary. Macquarie, Volume 5, and that takes us back to morale. Your morale should be soaring by now. That's a good 6, Alex. Orbital. Things that go around, come around for 7.
Well found, David. Bad luck to Sujaya there, but Alex scored 6 points. Let's see what else we can get out of the letters now. And Alex, your choice again.
Consonant, please.
Thanks, Alex. S.
And another one.
X.
And another one.
D.
And another one.
M.
And a vowel.
U.
And another one.
E.
And another one.
A.
And a consonant.
S.
And a vowel, please.
And lastly, U.
I'll start the clock. What did you get from that, Alex?
I've got a 5.
A 5 for you. And Sujaya?
I've got 4.
4 for you. What was that?
Used.
Used. And Alex?
I've got exams.
Well, what do you reckon, David? No problems?
I hate giving 5 points to exams. I hate exams, but 5 points to you, Alex, the longer there. Now, don't be hexed by that X. Throw it out, and what else can you do with the other letters? And there is assumed or medusas, which are those purpley jellyfish in the Mediterranean.
Oh, nice find. Well done. But Alex scored 5 points for exams. Time for some more Friday night numbers now, and Sajaya, can you deliver them, please?
Lily, can I have a family mix, please?
Sure, that's 2 large and 4 small. And starting with the smalls, 1, 4, 6, 1, and the 2 large, 75 and 25. The target number is 435.
Let's chase it. Well, Sajaya, how did you go with that mix?
I've got 430.
430, just 5 away. Nicely done. Alex?
I'm a bit closer. 432.
So you're only 3 off. Tell us what you did, please.
25 plus 75 plus 6 is 106.
Yep,
Multiplied by 4 is 424.
it is.
And then I've taken 4
Take the 4.
times 1 plus 1.
Oh, I think you've used the 4 twice here, Alex. Sorry.
Oh, Alex, you have, unfortunately.
Oh.
I'm afraid we can't accept that. Bad luck. Now, Sajaya, you were on 430, was that correct?
Yes.
Tell us how you got there, please.
I've got 75 times 6 is 450.
450.
And if you take off 4 plus 1 from 25,
So 25 minus
4
4 plus 1
is
20.
20.
Yep.
And subtract that.
Take that from 450. Gives you 430.
430. Well done, Sajaya. But 435 is our target, Lily. Can you get us there?
Yep, I can. And I started just as Sajaya did with 75 by 6 is 450. And I was trying to get a 15 to get down to 435 and realised you couldn't do that with the remaining numbers. So decided to tweak a little bit. So if you add 1 to the 75 and multiply that by 6, that gives you up to, gets you up to 456. And then add the 460, and take away the 25 gives you 435.
That's the answer. That's the one we've been looking for. Well done, Lily. But well done to Sajaya, who scored 7 points. So our scores at the moment: Sajaya on 12, Alex on 19, as we head for our next break for tonight. Your word mix is depot cos. And the clue, it can tell you where you live. Back in a while.